Okay, guys, today I would like to share with you a healthy dinner recipe with simple ingredients, and I want to believe you're going to like it and you would like to recreate it. So, first of all, we're going to start by rinsing our vegetable. It's very important. And in this recipe, I'm going to be using two different types of onion, which is the red and the white onion. I actually love onions. A lot of onions is very good. It's very healthy, so it actually sweeten your cooking, and it's enable me to use less spice like ingredient or Maggi. So once you rinse it, all the vegetables, make sure you chop them into fine cut of your choice. And once that is done, we're going to stir fry them very soon. So while I'm going to be stir frying it, I'm going to pair it with the protein. The protein I'll be using in this vegetable is king prawns, fresh king prawns. So I'm going to start by letting the pan get hot and put a little bit of oil. I don't really like to put so much oil. It's actually important I do a very balanced diet. I don't like skipping a particular meal, a particular class of food from my healthy, from my cooking. I like to have a balanced diet. I don't cut out proteins, I don't cut out carb. I just switch it over at the moment just to have the bigger size of the burner, which fasten it. And again, before I forget, I'm going to be preparing this vegetable with the potato. So I'm actually boiling the potato on the other side. I started by stir frying the onions on a medium heat level, then I added the tomatoes. I want to keep this vegetable as fresh as possible, so I'm not going to overload it with so many spices. So I'm just keeping it simple. At times, it's actually very good to have the freshness of your vegetable and not to over spice your food. They usually have their own natural taste. So after the tomatoes stir fry for a few minutes, I'm going to add my green pepper and sweet pepper. Some people call it. We have the sweet pepper, which is tatashe in my local language, which is Nigeria. Red bell pepper. The long one is called long pepper. So I let it stir fry again for a few minutes. Added the bay leaf, then the spring onions, and some green peas. The green peas, just a few of the green peas. I'm going to add the rest of the green peas at the end. I don't want all to overcook. Then at this point, I added the prawns to it, then put a little bit of salt. Like I said earlier on, I don't want to over spices. I just want to have the taste of the freshness of the vegetable. So this is a very healthy dinner inspiration. If you're going to recreate it, please let me know when you recreate it, if you like it, if you love it, how it feels, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I paired it with the potato, which I'm boiling, and the last thing I added then was the green peas. The green peas, just stir it, give it a stir. I wanted to retain its greenish, the freshness of it, so I added it last, and at this point it's on a very very low heat at the last heat, and let the steam just do the magic. So, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and then I hope you will recreate this yummy healthy dinner which I have shared with you. And please remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share with your friends and family, and let me know how it feels or what you think when you recreate it, or if you're yet to create it. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you pretty soon. Take care and enjoy the sunshine. Bye bye for now.